Guys, welcome back to the redrosevlogz. I am Lucy. If you're new here, welcome and thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you so much for watching this content. This video is all about styling our natural hair, a quick and easy way to style your hair, because sometimes you have that friend or that someone that's going to call you and be like, "Oh, where are you? Can I take you somewhere?" And your hair is a mess. What do? I got you guys, because I got you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is what you need. You need a comb to comb your hair. You also need a brush. Need a brush to brush through your hair to look so sleek. You need a gel. I'm using this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel, Black Coaster and Flaxseed Oil. This is one that I'm using. I love this gel because it does not dry your hair and it does not break your hair. What else do you need? You also need a hair band, a small one. So let's start this. Whoop, you also need some water. You also need this to moisturize your like, why am I shouting? You also need this to moisturize your hair, or you can use any moisturizing product out there. So the first step you're gonna do is spray your natural hair to make it more manageable, because you don't want to break it and you want it to have that sleek look. Okay, spray all through, all through, most especially on the on the roots, the front part, the back part. And guys, this style is so easy. Like, if you have an emergency, you can quickly style your natural hair. It's gonna look good. Where is my mirror? My mirror, baby. You also need a small brush to slick your baby hair so that they look so good. And a big comb to comb through your hair. Comb it so slow because you don't want to break it. Put more water until it's more like wet. Not that wet, but a bit wet. Some water is dripping on my face. Can you see? That's enough. The next step that you're going to do is the back of your hair, to brush it moving forward to your face. Do you understand? Because we want to make a bun and we don't want it to be like on your, like on the middle of your head. Does that make sense? We want it to push in front so that it can look good. Let me show you guys.